How to go live in your TikTok. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can go live in your TikTok application. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. Now there is the rare case to go on the live. For that you have to click on this plus icon that is in the mid corner, and from here you have to select the live option, and in some cases there is no live option to go on live in your TikTok. So what you have to do is simply go back and click on your profile icon that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in here you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the content and display, and you have to click on the live. Now you have to go on the live events, and from here you can explore and participate in more live events. So from here you can register the live events. Now how you can host a live in your TikTok account? For that you have to go back and scroll down until you find the option of the report a problem. Now once you are in here you have to again scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the live. You have to click on it, and from here you have the option of the how to start a live. You have to click on it, and as you can see that here TikTok is talking about the live icon that is in the home screen, and from here you can choose the live, but sometimes this option doesn't appear. So what you have to do is simply click on the is your problem resolved. You have to tap on the no, and from here you have to go on the need more help. So now once you are in the feedback of the TikTok live, what you have to do is simply add the that you want to go live in your TikTok account, and make sure you can add the screenshot of your TikTok profile, and you can also add the username and the profile picture. So that's how you can go live on the TikTok, because there is no another option, so you just have to wait for the TikTok to respond your report. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.